All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to my Solana family. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for tuning in. Love you all. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful time. And I'm sure if you guys are looking at the crypto space right now, people are about to start losing their sleep now. Of course, we're in that time, where you're looking at altcoins absolutely exploding, your portfolio, starting to get into that green. And shout out to the people, guys, that have been actually accumulating throughout the bear market. But right now, it seems like there's so much excitement in the space. It seems like everyone is all of a sudden moon boys. But the people that actually were the real moon boys were the ones that were actually doing due diligence and research and actually dollar cost averaging in throughout the massive bloodbath that we saw over the past 15 to 18 months. So shout out to those people. If you're looking at Sol, down about 2.4%, guys. But before anyone comes out and says anything, we need to keep in mind Solana was one of the front runners prior to this massive altcoin rally that we are seeing. So we need to keep these factors in mind. But if you're looking at the price of Solana right now, currently sitting at $108.83, we're down about 1.8% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as 3.3% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Now, if we're looking at its market cap, it's holding really strong around the $48.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $2.7 billion. And honestly, at this point, to my day-to-day viewers, especially for the Solana projects, so what am I saying? Like, why can I not speak? To my day-to-day viewers that actually tune in for the Solana updates, you guys know the importance of the $108 price point at this point. I'm sure a lot of people know exactly what I'm referring to, and we're seeing Solana above the $108, which is a big thumbs up in my books. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So of course, we're going to start off with what's going on in terms of its ecosystem. But speaking about the ecosystem, guys, a lot is happening. So we're going to start off, of course, with its DeFi, because this is what I want you guys to be looking at. At this point, Solana is not making yearly highs as of now, but if you're looking at Sol's DeFi, $2.16 billion, and this is money flowing in to protocols. Farming is occurring. Massive amounts of farming is occurring. Massive amounts of money is coming from other chains to the Solana blockchain. Why? Because people want to get their hands on SPL airdrops. And as of now, SPL tokens are absolutely killing it. In terms of just the meme coins themselves, we're seeing WIF absolutely exploding. I saw a mock jupe absolutely exploding. I saw what's the other one? WEN token. These are massive amounts of coins that are gaining so much traction right now. Of course, right now we are in an altcoin season, but this is bringing in attention from other chains. Ethereum is not getting as much attention like it was last year. Let's go back down 12 months. People are showing more attention to the SPL tokens. Just look at it from the meme coin side of things. We're looking at so many tokens on the Solana blockchain. Look at this token, WIF token, 65 cents. Can we wrap our heads around this? 65 cents. And what is this token? It's a meme coin at the end of the day with a dog with a hat on it, and it has become such a phenomenon in the Solana community. And this should just tell you how much interest we're really getting. And Ethereum is not keeping up with this attention, and you can see this for yourself. Numbers speak for themselves. So this is insane stuff. Let's look at another one, WEN token. You can see this for yourself. Absolutely killing it. Let's look at Bonk. These are just some meme coins that I'm pointing out. Bonk is absolutely killing it. Pyth is also absolutely killing it. Where is Pyth Network? You can see this for yourself. 68 cents, $1 billion market cap. Look how it's performing over the last 30 days, up 77.6%. What's another one? Mock Jupe. Look at this right here. So these are some factors we can't be forgetting. And this is going to benefit Solana. A lot of people don't realize this, but this benefits Solana in a massive way. But yeah, let's take a look at this. This is really, really funny. Of course, I'm going to start off with some funny news. So as we know, Sam Bankman-Fried, is one of the biggest criminals, in my opinion, of the financial history. And you can see this for yourself. This dude right here is sitting in jail and giving tips from jail to security guards to buy Solana. How jokes is this? This is so funny. I wanted to just share that with you guys. But on top of that, you're looking at Bonk, of course, reaching almost $1 billion market cap. And this is some of the updates regarding the Solana airdrops confirmed for the month of April. And Drift Protocol, as we know, it has been, farming, giving points to people that actually have been farming. So that they have confirmed it. Parcel has confirmed it, and Zeta Markets has also kind of given a hint in terms of that. So that is, of course, great to see. And speaking about new money coming in, you're another day, another perfect example right in front of us. 1.64 million bridge over the past 24 hours from other chains to Sol speaks for itself. And lastly, this is worthwhile noting. Over 433,000 active wallets interacted with Solana ecosystem in the last 24 hours. So growth is 22.3%. New active wallets, 78,831. If this doesn't tell you what's happening with Sol, I don't know what else will. But amazing stuff. But now let's take a look at Bitcoin, guys. Solana community, you have seen what Bitcoin has done. Remember how I was saying, we were trading, consolidating around that, previous massive resistance. Let me give it a refresh live because I don't know why it's glitching over here. So yeah, remember we were pretty much ranging back and forth around 51,000 to 52,000 at this resistance. And as soon as we popped out of here, look where we went. We went into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and we're sitting at $57,176 per Bitcoin. The amount of money and the amount of interest the ETF is actually bringing to the space is bigger than a lot of people think. We're seeing a lot of demand for the ETF, and again, that is not a surprise. And I think this ETF hype can take this bull run to the biggest bull run that a lot of analysts have been projecting. And at this point, the fact that Bitcoin has already been sitting at these key levels in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level before the Bitcoin halving speaks a lot of volume in terms of the overall momentum. What I'm personally projecting, as I've said thousands of times as of now, Bitcoin halving leading up to that, I think, once that Bitcoin halving does take place, we will see sell the news event take place. We'll see a sideways momentum, but I think Q3 and Q4, that's the area where I'm currently looking at, where I think things will pop off, to the levels, a lot of people are anticipating. As far as Solana is concerned, absolutely beautiful. Yes, guys, Solana is not having those explosive moves right now, but let me be clear. Once the price of Solana starts heading to the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level and start retesting, the 167, 170 prices, guess what? A lot of people are going to be looking back and wishing they were picking it up at $100 or $105 price point. And, only a few people realize this right now. If you're looking at it, Sol, remember the $108 that I brought to you guys earlier in the update? Look at it. That is a key resistance. And I'm sure you guys know why I said, this is so important. And I know my viewers realize this because we have been discussing the importance of this key resistance. And as of now, Sol is not having a hard time actually staying above there. So that is a great sign. We did see Sol sitting at $111.54 just, yesterday when we did see that massive move. And that is lovely to see. The fact that, we're sitting above that resistance, that is worthwhile noting. And I'm expecting that we're about to set a new yearly high in the upcoming days ahead of us. So far, so good. Loving what I am seeing. As long as the price of Solana stays above this key resistance or even stays in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, in my opinion, that is all right. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.